Next, let's look at extensive challenges 1. So this is a very wordy problem. It says that there are 68 black balls and 69 white balls in the box. Each time you have to take out 2 balls from the box. If the 2 balls taken out are the same color, you need to put a black ball into the box. If the 2 balls taken out are not of the same color, you need to put the white ball back into the box. It says that you are given enough black balls, so how many balls are left in the box after taking and putting balls 135 times? And what colors are they? So, let's take a look at this problem. First of all, if you are taking 2 balls from the box, there will be 3 different possibilities. The first possibility is that you are removing 2 black balls. And the outcome is that you need to put a black ball into the box, right? Because the 2 are the same color. So it means that you are adding 1 black ball into the box. And the overall result of the first movement is going to be, of the first move basically, is going to be 1 less black ball in the box. The second possibility is to take away 2 white balls. And of course, you need to put a black ball into the box because the 2 white balls are the same color. Yep. So the outcome of that move is that you will have 2 fewer white balls, but 1 more black ball. And finally, if you're removing 1 white ball and 1 black ball, you will be putting the white ball back into the box. Which means that, well, removing the white ball, adding the white ball is going to cancel out, which means the overall outcome is still removing a black ball. So for these 3 cases, for each of them, the total change in the number of balls is always going to be 1 less for every move. At the very beginning, there are 68 adding 69 balls. But then after 135 times of the moves, you are removing 135 balls. So you will have 2 balls left. So for the first question, it means I have 2 balls left after 135 times. All right? And the second question, what colors are they? So, how do you know the colors of the 2 balls remaining? If you are observing the outcome of the black balls, each time it is adding 1 or subtracting 1, right? But if you are observing the only possible way of changing the number of white balls, it's take away 2. So it means that only an even number of white balls can be removed. Does it make sense? And if only an even number of white balls can be removed, and originally the number of white balls is 69, it means that in the end, the number of white balls left is an odd number. So for an odd number that is greater than 0 and smaller than 2, because there are 2 balls remaining at the very end, right? So for odd that is greater than 0 and smaller than 2, that odd number is equal to 1. Hence, we have 1 white ball and 1 black ball. remaining in the box at the very end. Does it make sense?